Ever wondered how your life seems a little smarter every day? That's not magic, that's AI. Think about it. When you type a message on your phone, it almost reads your mind. The next word suggestions pop up like they knew what you wanted to say before you did. That's AI, analyzing patterns in your writing and predicting what comes next. Or take your daily commute. Your Maps app doesn't just show roads, it predicts traffic, finds the fastest route, and even reroutes you if there's an accident. Every time you save a few minutes, that's AI at work. Online shopping feels almost personal, right? You search for a pair of shoes once, and suddenly your app shows you the perfect matches, sales you didn't even know about, and items others like you are buying. That's AI learning your preferences and behavior, making recommendations before you even ask. Video platforms are no different. Ever notice how YouTube or TikTok always shows videos that seem made for you? AI watches what you click, how long you watch, and what you skip, then serves content it predicts you'll love next. Even your home is smarter than ever. Lights, fans, temperature, security, all controlled automatically. Some systems even learn your habits. Turn on the fan at 7 p.m., the AI remembers and does it for you tomorrow without a single tap. Students, here's a tip. Don't just use AI, observe it. Next time your phone predicts a word, ask yourself, why this word? When a shopping app shows a product, ask, how does it know I want this? Every little question trains your mind to understand AI on a deeper level. Here's a small challenge for you. Note one AI application every day. It could be your smart fridge reminding you you're low on milk, your watch tracking your sleep, or a music app suggesting a new playlist. Start observing patterns, and suddenly AI isn't just around you, it's something you understand. AI is already part of your life, silently making things faster, easier, smarter. The more you notice it, the more you can use it to your advantage. So start today. Look around, ask questions, learn, and make AI work for you, not just for your apps. Your life is smarter than you think, and now it's your turn to see how.